What's up guys, Joni Curls here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, what I'm going to be demoing for you guys is the coconut creme recipes by Aunt Jackies Curls and Coils, and this is the Coco Wash. I filmed using it prior to filming the intro, so this is the finished product just as a little sneak peek. So if you guys want to see how I got my hair to look this bomb, keep on watching. Now I'm on the website and I'm looking at the product's information. So the website says Aunt Jackie's amazing coconut milk conditioning cleanser will leave your hair clean and free of impurities while feeling touchably softer. Coconut milk has been used throughout the ages to help hydrate hair and treat dry scalp. Blended with other essential ingredients including avocado and shea butter, Aunt Jackie's Coco Wash is excellent therapy for all hair types and textures, gentle enough to use daily. Now the instructions say to thoroughly wet the hair, then work in a moderate amount of coco wash into hair, gently massaging into hair and scalp. Do not vigorously shampoo. For thicker, coarser textures that are prone to tangles, starting at the roots, shampoo by gently raking fingers through hair, all the way to the ends, carefully working through tangles. Rinse thoroughly and then repeat to ensure that hair and scalp are clean and impurities have been rinsed away. Now that I've brought up the information and the instructions off of the website, let's get into the hair tutorial. Alright, we're going to be tackling this mess today, y'all. You ready? We're going to turn this carpet on top of my head into a work of art using the Coco Wash by Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils. Alright, so we're starting off with the Coco Wash. We're going to put a moderate amount in our hands, so pretty much like a quarter size, and we're going to rub it in our hands and then apply it to the scalp. As we're working on the scalp, we're also going to make sure that we get the product down to the ends as well, because the ends also need a little bit of shampoo. While we're doing that, we're going to use a wide tooth comb and we're going to detangle. And in case you guys were wondering, the twisting of the hair isn't necessary. I just do it preferably because I feel like it gives me more definition. Alright, so when we're done twisting, we're just going to give this about 5 minutes to sit in, and bam! Oh, who is that? Look at all that hair, that gorgeous hair. This product did an amazing job. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't already. Like this video, hit that notification bell at the bottom so you get notifications every time I post, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!